Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to publish your FlutterFlow app on Play Store. First, open the app you created on FlutterFlow. Look at the bottom left corner and click on the gear icon to open your settings. Next, find the mobile deployment option and click on it. Here you'll notice that deploying your app requires an upgraded plan. Go ahead and upgrade your plan so you can continue with the deployment process. After upgrading, you'll need a Google Play developer account. This account gives you the access needed to upload and publish private apps. Follow the steps to register. There is a one-time registration fee. Once your account is active, you'll have administrator privileges to publish apps on managed Google Play. For private apps, make sure to configure them so they are only visible to users in your organization. You can also adjust visibility settings to make the app easier for them to find. If you are hosting the app yourself instead of Google, be sure to update those settings as well. To upload your app, all you need is the Android app bundle or APK file generated from FlutterFlow and a title for your app. Enter your app title and upload the file you downloaded from FlutterFlow. Once the upload is complete, review all settings to confirm your app is only accessible to the intended users. When everything is correct, publish the app. Your private app will then be available to your organization through managed Google Play.